It's your boy, Swabby Dobby, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown. We got a 225 millimeter bow here. You got 125 millimeter bow here, 125 millimeter bow here. These are all snap-in clips right here, snap-in clips here. Release a couple of these harnesses right here. Ain't gotta mess with that. So let me go ahead and plug that back in. And then it just snap-in thing here. I'm probably going to take this loose, loosen up the bolts on the regulator. That's where we at right here. This is a 2020 Volkswagen Jetta door glass replacement. Yeah, it's good.